don't you? Yeah, you do. You just love your toes. Look up here a minute. What's up here? What's up here? Oh, you should have gotten that one.
I have it on video.
Now let's try.
Take it to video. Oh, it's been up.
That's all over your hand.
That wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Orange goatee boy.
Oh, I think we should quit.
You spit it on your eye, buddy.
No, he flipped the spoon at
Oh.
You know what this looks like? What? This looks like a little baby I used to know. Not so bad now. I warmed it up, huh?
You're not getting any in there, bud. Just spin it right out.
Danny, open the mouthie.
There you go.
Not so bad.
You're orange spotted now. Oh. You are just covered in orange. Here, wipe your mouth off. Wipe your mouth off. You can do it. Oh. Oh, babies.
Here, I'll take it away. I think enough is enough.
Okay. All done. Good job. Wipe your mouth off. Okay. There you go. Wipe your mouth off. Okay. You all good now? You just love to chew on those, don't you?